Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to reveal 5 foolproof tips to attain easy wealth. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to financial success? Let's get started. Tip 1. Invest wisely. Investing in assets that appreciate over time is a key step towards wealth. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or even cryptocurrencies, conducting thorough research and seeking professional advice will help you make smart investment decisions. Tip 2. Build multiple streams of income. To achieve real financial freedom, it's crucial to diversify your income sources. Consider starting a side hustle, exploring passive income opportunities, or investing in businesses that can generate additional cash flow. Tip 3. Budget and save. Creating a budget and sticking to it is paramount. Cut unnecessary expenses, track your spending, and allocate a portion of your income towards savings and investments. Building a solid financial foundation will pave the way for future wealth accumulation. Tip 4. Continuous learning. Invest in yourself by constantly learning and acquiring new skills. Seek out knowledge in areas that can enhance your career prospects or even enable you to start your own profitable business. Remember, education is a lifelong investment. Tip 5. Leverage the power of passive income. Passive income allows money to work for you. Explore opportunities such as rental properties, online businesses, or royalties from intellectual property. With passive income, you can generate wealth even while you sleep. Remember, there's no shortcut to wealth, but by following these 5 tips, you'll be well on your way to financial success. We hope you found this information valuable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great tips and insights on building wealth.